Today we're gonna be doing a little Halloween tutorial. It's kind of a stupid one, but it's one that I feel like I have to do. If you don't know, it's pretty obvious. I just got my lips done. I have some pretty obvious bruising right now, and my lips are swollen AF. So I thought this was the perfect time to do this tutorial for Halloween. I'm gonna save it so you guys are not gonna see it till Halloween. It's the end of August right now, but I'm pre-filming for Halloween already. I'm gonna do a botched Halloween tutorial. So if you don't already have pre-bruising, it's cool. You can overdraw your lips, no big deal. But I just thought it would be funny since my lips are in the process of healing. They look stupid as right now to do a little botched tutorial. Let's wrap the up and see what we can do. So first I'm gonna start by just taking a bunch of tissue and just wrapping it around my head. I guess I'll start like right here. Basically with this tutorial, you want it to look like you really just got surgery done. And the biggest things to note are that obviously your face is gonna be wrapped up if you just got a facelift. I'm gonna look like a nun for a minute. Just got surgery, yeah, you're gonna be wrapped up for a minute. Okay, off to a great start. So the next thing, I do have a little bit of makeup on right now, but we're just gonna add to it. So I'm gonna take a little bit of like some purple shadow. This is just the Morphe Jeffree Star palette. It's sitting in front of me. That's the only reason why I'm doing this. But I'm gonna take some of like this purpley shade right here and put it under my eyes because I want them to look like they're bruised. Because when you get surgery done, like on your nose or, yeah, mostly really if you get like a nose job or something, you get pretty bad bruising. And I'm just gonna kind of dip into like these burgundy shades in here and just kind of layer them up so it looks like I have some like nasty bruising under my eyes. I really thought that this tutorial would be kind of funny because I did just get my lips done, so. So I'm just gonna build up that burgundy right here. I'm gonna add some actually around my lips too. Not that they need any more bruising, but you know, a little extra does not hurt. I can add it on my lips, and I'll kind of add it where the bruising already is. Mostly around the perimeters, because your lips get really swollen and really tender and gross. I'm gonna take a little brown now and add that in here. I want the bruising under my eyes to be really deep and nasty. I'm gonna kind of drag it out under here so it's pretty much all the way out. Just taking a little more of the brown in here just so it looks extra nasty. And then I'm gonna kind of wipe off my brush a little bit, and I'm gonna add a little bit of like the greens from down here, just kind of a mixture of the two, and just add it like in there so you get a really gross like bruised effect. Yes, that's what we're looking for, because bruises are multi-dimensional. You have lots of different colors in bruising. It's not just like one color. I'm gonna add a little bit of like bruising around my head too, just to like kind of shadow. I'm really just dipping into like all the colors at this point. All the colors that you might find in a bruise, I'm just kind of running around the top of my head here, just to give it like a, you just got a facelift kind of vibe. Make it a little like dirty looking. Wow, I'm looking rough. This is so gross and weird. Ew, it really looks like I just had plastic surgery. Gross. No offense if you did get plastic surgery, but like, obviously I don't think it would really look this bad if you were recovering from plastic surgery, but I don't know, maybe it would. This is obviously a gross exaggeration of that. And then I'm gonna take a little bit on like another small fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna kind of dip into like this color right here. Sorry, you can't really see. Mixed with the brown. And I'm gonna kind of go around where my cheeks are. I already have naturally very plump cheeks, so defining them as if I just had surgery is not gonna be hard. I'm just gonna like round them out at the bottom to make them look extra plastic. This is really just like contouring right here, and I'm gonna blend it out quite a bit so it's not a really harsh line. I'm glad I did it on top of my makeup too because it looks extra shiny. Wow, that's so gross. Ew. I gotta rewrap myself. This is a really easy tutorial. It does not take a lot. Let me just define my cheeks a little more because I'm kind of liking how that looks really fake. And it kind of like meshes in with the bruising too. Wow, that's so disgusting. Oh my God. Oh my God, I keep getting unwrapped, exposed. This is just a random black eyeliner pencil that I have. So I'm just gonna make lines. Yes. As if they were like cut this way. Like where they would naturally, I guess, cut you if you were getting surgery done. And I'm making them kind of messy. I'm not making them precise at all. And then I'm gonna draw some little arrows up top to symbolize like a little facelift going on. I'm gonna add a little more bruising on my nose, I think. Yes, there we go. I want it to look like kind of messed up. And then we're gonna, I'll just like basically where I contour my nose. Wow. This is so hideous, but so funny. Just so I look really jacked up. I'm gonna add a little bit of like darkening just with the pencil right here. Just so it looks extra like bruised and gross. Even right here, a little extra. Oh wait, should I add blood? Oh my God, I should. I still have it. Hold on, wait. Let me get some blood. I got some blood, so hold on. Let's add a little blood. Oh, this is so... I haven't cracked this shit open since last year, so hopefully it's not disgusting. Yes, I want it coming out of my nose, actually. Smart idea, Kaylee. Good idea. Obviously, you can use real gauze, too. Oh my God, hair, get out. Oh, yes. It can stick down right here so it looks like it's all bloody. Oh, yes. Wow, cool. Wow. Botched. Okay, so now that we have the blood, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Happy first Halloween tutorial. We did it. This is a nice little botched look. It's really easy to wear, really easy to do. You just need a little fake blood and some eyeshadow pretty much, and like an liner, and that's it. You can use toilet paper. You can use actual gauze from the store too. Like you can go to CVS and get like actual gauze and like wrap and all that. To look more realistic, throw on a hospital gown, and you got this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel. Comment down below what you're gonna be for Halloween. Let me know in the comments. I can't wait to hear. And I'm so excited for Halloween. Oh, there's so many more videos to come. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.